Our hardware and software form the heart of many machines and appliances, a small but crucial electronic element that allows your products to operate and connect. We create state-of-the-art custom-made electronics for machines and appliances. E.D. has the in-house power to develop and produce electronic controllers for a wide variety of applications. Our proactive way of working together with a customer ensures future-proof solutions. From research and development to production, we are a unique point of contact for your business. The synergy between our departments and our extensive test programs allows us to guarantee stable, reliable, and efficient products, from smart design to smart manufacturing. The in-house EMC testing in the semi-anechoic room, also known as SAR, helps us to obtain this high quality. Our production plant has the label Factory of the Future, and that truly shows, given the high degree of automated production lines, engaged staff, and an eco-friendly way of working. Our customers appreciate the close cooperation and far-reaching knowledge sharing. Let's make products better together. E.D. Custom-made electronics.